Have you ever stopped to think about the absolute absurdity of the phrase making a living? We wake up to the shrill, panic-inducing shriek of an alarm clock while it is still pitch black outside. We pour lukewarm, bitter bean water down our throats, sit in bumper-to-bumper traffic inside a metal box on wheels, and then march into a brightly lit, sterile cubicle farm. We do all of this to trade the most precious, finite, and non-renewable resource in the universe, our time, for little pieces of paper that allow us to survive just enough to come back and do it all over again tomorrow. It is a modern-day hamster wheel, beautifully disguised with casual Fridays and the occasional break room donut. But here is the harsh, unspoken truth that your boss desperately hopes you never figure out. As long as you are trading your hours for dollars, you will never truly be wealthy. You will never truly be free. Why? Because there is a mathematical ceiling on your life. You only have 24 hours in a day. Even if you don't sleep, don't eat, and don't see your family, you can only bill for 24 hours. When your income is directly tied to the ticking hand of a clock, your earning potential is fundamentally capped by the laws of physics. Today, we are going to break the laws of physics. Well, maybe not physics, but definitely the traditional laws of economics. We are going to permanently sever the toxic relationship between your time and your money. I'm going to walk you through a ridiculously simple, highly effective, 3-step system to build a remote income stream that pays you while you sleep, while you travel, or while you are simply staring at the ceiling wondering why you did not do this sooner. And the best part, I am giving you the core copy-paste template to make it happen. No inventory, no massive startup capital, and definitely no commuting. Let's dive right into step 1, the asset sourcing protocol. If you want to stop selling your time, you have to start selling a system. And every good system needs a product. But we are not going to manufacture physical products. Manufacturing takes time, dealing with suppliers takes time, and shipping physical junk around the world takes time. Instead, we are going to leverage the power of affiliate marketing with digital products or high-ticket software. You are going to find a product that already exists, that people already desperately want, and that pays you a handsome commission for simply pointing hungry buyers in the right direction. Go to platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or the partner programs of major software tools. You want to look for something that solves a painful, urgent problem for a specific group of people. Wealth, health, and relationships are the golden trifecta. Find a program that pays you a recurring monthly commission or a high one-time payout. Your only job is to be the digital matchmaker. You are the bridge between the person with the problem and the product with the solution. Once you have your affiliate link, your unique digital fingerprint that tracks your sales, you are ready to move on to the next phase of the operation. Step 2, building the automated conversion machine. This is where the magic happens, and this is where you reclaim your time. You are not going to be cold calling people or knocking on doors. You are going to build a simple 2-page website known as a sales funnel. Page 1 is the opt-in page. You offer your visitors something for free, a cheat sheet, a short video, or a copy-paste template in exchange for their email address. Page 2 is the bridge page, where you briefly introduce yourself, explain why the affiliate product is the ultimate solution to their problem, and provide your special link. Now, before you can build this glorious digital empire, we need to address a very serious, life-threatening crisis that is happening right now in your home office. You are sitting at your computer, trying to become a remote income millionaire, but your posture is an absolute tragedy. You are hunched over that keyboard, looking like a medieval gargoyle guarding a cathedral of spreadsheets. Your spine currently resembles a cooked piece of spaghetti that has been left out in the sun. If you are going to conquer the digital landscape, you cannot do it with the lumbar region of an 80-year-old prawn. This is exactly why you desperately need the ultimate ergonomic memory foam lumbar support cushion, available right now on Amazon. Listen to me very closely. This is not just a pillow. This is a technological masterpiece. This is a gentle, supportive hug from a cloud that went to medical school and graduated at the top of its chiropractic class. While you are busy automating your funnels and counting your passive income, this magnificent cushion is working tirelessly to realign your spine to the exact posture of a Greek god. It straps perfectly to any chair, even that sad, squeaky dining room chair you have been using as a makeshift office seat. It is made of proprietary cooling gel memory foam, which means while the stock market crashes and your competitors sweat, your lower back remains as cool as a cucumber in a freezer. It is a scientifically proven fact. Okay, maybe heavily exaggerated by me, but still true in my heart, that millionaires have excellent posture. Do not let a crumbling spine stand between you and financial freedom. Click the link in the video description right now to get your own ultimate lumbar support cushion. Your spine will thank you. Your future wealth will thank you. And frankly, I will thank you because it is a fantastic product. Go click the link in the description. Seriously, do it. I will wait. Now that your spine is perfectly aligned and you are sitting on a throne of orthopedic luxury, let's get back to your automated machine. You have our opt-in page and your bridge page. The secret weapon here is the automated email sequence. When someone gives you their email, your software automatically sends them a pre-written series of emails over the next week, reminding them to buy the product. You write these emails once, just once, and they fire off to thousands of people on autopilot, whether you are awake, asleep, or taking a stroll through the park. This is the definition of decoupling time from money. Your system is doing the selling. This brings us to the final piece of the puzzle. Step 3, the copy-paste traffic engine. You have an amazing product. You have an automated machine, but a machine without fuel is just an expensive paperweight. You need traffic. You need eyeballs. In the old days, you had to pay thousands of dollars for television ads or billboards. Today, the social media algorithm is your free billboard, and short-form video is the currency of the realm. You are going to use platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to drive thousands of targeted visitors to your funnel. But wait, you might be thinking, I don't want to dance on camera or spend 20 hours a day editing videos. I don't want to trade my time for views. Relax, because I promised you a copy-paste template, and here it is. You are going to use the hook, story, offer framework, combined with simple, faceless videos. Here is the exact template you can copy and paste today. The hook, stop doing insert common mistake, and do this instead if you want to insert desired result. The story, for years I struggled with pain point, until I discovered a simple system that changed everything. It allows you to benefit one without objection one. The offer. I put together a free step-by-step guide showing you exactly how this works. Comment the word ready down below, or click the link in my bio to get it for free right now. You can pair this simple script with aesthetic free stock footage of nature, luxury cars, or cozy coffee shops using simple editing apps. Add trending audio, put the text on the screen, and post it. That takes roughly 15 minutes to create. The algorithm does the heavy lifting. One video can reach 10,000, 100,000, or even 1 million people. Those people see your video, click the link in your bio, enter their email on your opt-in page, and buy the product through your affiliate link. Let us visualize the entire flow one last time. You spend a single afternoon finding a great product and setting up a basic 2-page funnel with an automated email sequence. Then you spend 20 minutes a day creating a simple faceless video using the copy-paste template. You post it. You walk away. You go live your life. While you are sleeping, a guy in London scrolls his phone, sees your video, clicks your link, and buys. You wake up, check your phone, and see a commission notification. You just made money without trading your time for it. You built a digital asset. This is how the modern wealthy operate. They do not work for money. They build machines that work for them. They understand that time is the ultimate luxury. You can always make another dollar, but you can never, ever make another minute. It is time to make a choice. You can wake up tomorrow at 6 in the morning, hit the snooze button, and drag your tired body back to the cubicle farm to build someone else's dream. You can keep accepting a capped salary that barely keeps pace with inflation, sacrificing the best years of your life for a gold watch and a modest pension that might not even exist when you retire. Or you can take control. You can spend a few hours this week building your own automated digital asset. You can leverage the power of the internet to create a remote income that buys back your freedom, your peace of mind, and your life. The 3-step system is right in front of you. Find the high-ticket affiliate product. Build the automated funnel machine. Drive unlimited free traffic using the copy-paste short-form video template. It is simple, it is actionable, and it works. All that is left is for you to actually take the first step. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more strategies on building remote wealth, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a system update. And please, for the love of everything good in this world, do not forget to click the link in the description to secure your ultimate ergonomic lumbar support cushion. Protect your spine, build your digital empire, and I will see you in the next video.